So next up, guys, got a real nice telehandler here. So this is a 2006 Genie GTH-844. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but really clean, guys. Good run and lift. Really nice tires on it. It's got a little over 4,500 hours. On the hour meter, it's just showing a little over 500. That's because at 4,000 hours, it did have a rebuilt motor put in it, John Deere, and then at the time the hour meter was changed. So real clean, 8,000 pound capacity, guys, 44 foot of reach. Like I said, John Deere diesel, 3-speed power shift transmission. Paint looks original and authentic, still in good shape. So I'm here with Rob. He'll jump on it and give you a nice demo. Starts up nice and strong. He'll kind of run it through the things for you here, guys. Try to show you all the things. But, machine does tilt side to side. The leveling is just a push button there, kind of right in front of the armrest. Forks tilt, those things. It's been a rental machine all its life. Rob's got a rental company here, and it looks like it was a Blackhawk rental machine before that. 3 emissions, good running, 3-way steering options, so crab, 2-wheel, and then kind of all-wheel synchronized together like he's got it now. Yeah, you see that paint when you get it out in the sun, really good looking. That paint all looks to be original. Tilting the machine. Didn't see any leaks on it. Honestly, all the cylinders look really dry. Booms out good and strong. Brought it back together here. I believe those will just be 48-inch forks, 42 or 48-inch forks, so we'll make sure we have that with the listing. But I think you guys can buy with confidence. Really good running telehandler, coming from a good home, ready to go to work. So open ROPS, it's got a good seat. Obviously Genie, real good brand too. So. There's a quick little demo, guys. 2006 Genie GTH-844 telehandler. So 8,000 pounds, 44 foot of reach. Good luck, guys. The auction time at Old 20 Auctions.